There are a lot of business models you could start this year, from drop shipping to offering some sort of a service. However, none of them is as lucrative and as easy to start as an AI business. But what exactly is an AI business? AI business utilizes AI in some way to make money. For example, by automating certain processes or helping other entrepreneurs make engaging content. In today's video, I'll show you different AI business ideas as well as how you can turn ideas into cold cash, step by step. Don't forget to watch this video all the way till the end, as I saved the best one for last. So without any further ado, let's get started with the first one. Picture this. You own an agency that's focusing primarily on helping people get leads. One of the ways of generating those leads is through cold outreach. So you already have a database of 1,000 email addresses, and all you have to do is to write and send cold email to each of those 1,000 people. It's crazy. So this would take you forever if you would do it manually. Thankfully, there are these tools that automatically write you the copy based on your data and send out the emails. You could automate it in seconds. Tools like Clay, for example. So this is exactly what automation is all about. But how can you make money from it? It's actually pretty simple. So you can start an AI automation agency. Starting an AI automation agency can be incredibly profitable, especially if you combine workflow automation platforms such as Make or Zapier with powerful large language modules. These platforms allow you to create seamless workflows that automate repetitive tasks across different departments, whether it's marketing, HR, or general operation. For instance, in marketing, so you can automate lead generation by setting up workflows that collect information from website forms, enrich data, and then use an LLM to draft personalized follow-up emails, all without manual intervention. Imagine the value this adds for your clients. They could reach out to leads faster and more effectively, which directly impacts their revenue. Let me give you a real life example. So, an insurance agency, and they were struggling with lawsuit claims management. They didn't have a solution for that. It was all over the place, paperwork. So, a process that typically consumed hours of daily manual work. So, by creating a custom CRM that automated document processing, client update, and deadline tracking, they transformed their workflow. Now, the brilliance was just in solving one agency's problem. Once perfected this solution, it became a blueprint sold to multiple other insurance agencies. This single automation solution reduced processing time by 70% for each implementing insurance agency. This shows you how you could build one solution and later resell it to similar clients, creating the blueprints of the automation once and reselling it again and again and again and again as a standalone product. That's a very good business model. So in HR, you could help business automate onboarding processes using Zapier or Make. You could set up a system where new employee details are automatically transferred to relevant HR systems. And then an LLM could generate personalized welcome emails, training materials, or answer common HR questions. So this frees up the HR teams to focus on strategic tasks rather than routine questions and paperwork. Another example in the HR place is this case where you could create this ranking system. So HR teams traditionally spend entire weeks screening resumes for single positions. By integrating, for example, Commit, an HR platform, with AI and Make, you could do the entire screening process with revolutionized AI. So the system now automatically scans resume, take keywords, match qualifications against the job requirements, and then even generate ranking based on how qualified this person based on the keywords. What used to take 40 hours now happens in minutes. And this showcases how AI automations can transform entire department workflows. When it comes to general operation, there is a lot of potential here. You could use an LLM to analyze customer feedback from various resources, for example, social media, survey responses, and then set up a workflow to summarize insights for management and product teams and so on. And if your company uses multiple software platforms, you could set up integrations. Right? If it have an API, you could just connect it. So you could streamline tasks across different tools like syncing data between CRM invoicing and project management systems like Monday, Asana, and so on. So with this approach, you could pitch your agency as a one-stop shop for business efficiency and intelligence, saving clients time, cutting costs, and boosting productivity and profitability. All you need to get started is a good understanding of a specific industry's pain point and how AI could address them to help your customers. An AI automation agency is a really cool business to run and can definitely make you a lot of money, but that's not the only model you could try. So let me introduce you to the power of AI amplified services, okay? If you have already some kind of a skill set like writing or editing, you could just amplify it with AI. If you are great at writing, you could use all of these AI writing tools. These tools can help you achieve a level of efficiency and polish that will impress clients and keep them coming back for more. And because of AI, you could have more clients. By incorporating AI into your workflow, you'll not only speed up your process, but also expand your range of services, making an invaluable asset to any project. My favorite example is the Door Brothers. It's kind of a crazy ad production studio, AI only, and traditional ad production typically costs upwards of $50,000 and takes weeks and a lot of humans to be involved in it. So what the Door Brothers did, they transformed this by using AI at every step from script generation to visual creation, using many different AI tools like Runway and so on. So the result is outstanding. They have full professional ads produced in days instead of weeks at the fraction of the traditional cost. They also create really cool art and music videos that goes viral for artists like Snoop Dogg and do really cool stuff. You should definitely check them out. Take video editing, for example. So AI-powered features in software like Adobe Premiere Pro also revolutionizing the field. AI can assist with complex tasks like color grading, scene editing, and even object removal, and everything happening in the background. So you can achieve really high-end effects in a fraction of the time. If you're not a Premiere Pro user, you have other solutions like CapCut and the script that they offer really cool auto-generated caption, intelligent noise reduction, and also automatic cut features that really simplify the post-production process. And if you're stuck finding the perfect stock footage, websites like Caption.ai or Vid.io allow you to generate custom video assets in seconds, creating visuals that meet your exact needs. Now, in the product photography space, Flare.ai is one of my favorites. It's revolutionizing how e-commerce businesses handle product imagery. Traditional product photography sessions often cost a lot of money, like $1,000 plus per product. And the AI solution lets business upload single product photo and automatically generate multiple lifestyle shots with various backgrounds and contexts under $50 the subscription. So you can also train AI on a specific person or character or product or a brand style even, and then you could generate images, those again and again and again and again. You can also create AI influencers for your marketing and so on. With Flux, LoRa, I have another video about how to train Flux LoRa. You could check it out. But what if you're, let's say, a copywriter? So with the AI tools, you could write faster, iterate with ease, and tailor content to specific audiences. Everybody knows ChatGPT, that's the most obvious one, but you can also take things further and use specific tools like Subscriber AI that writes scripts for YouTube in a very specific style. Incredibly valuable if you're working in content marketing. For example, if you need to refine your tone or add a touch of personality, you have another one named Quillbot AI that can polish and rephrase text, adding a human touch or unique voice to your content. You can go from drafting to finished copy in less time, making your service more attractive to busy clients who need content that's both high quality and quick to produce. AI tools are also opening doors to entirely new services. As a video editor, for example, you could start offering personalized social media packages, creating short-form video content with optimized captions and eye-catching transitions. Copywriters could dive into automated script writing, ad copy generation, and SEO-optimized article writing. If you're multi-skilled, consider bundling video and copy service into one big AI content generation related service package for influencers or for clients. And it's still not everything you can do with AI to start profitable business. You have one more thing to go. So as I said in the beginning of this video, this last business model is the best because it offers unlimited scalability and it works with practically any niche. I'm talking about Saas, which stands for Software as a Service. And before you say, but Yuval, I don't know how to code, so don't worry, I got you covered. Nowadays, there are a lot of tools on the internet that allow you to create your own SaaS without writing a single line of code. So what exactly is SaaS? In simple terms, it's a software solution delivered online that customers pay to use on a subscription basis. Think about tools you already use, like Spotify, Google Workspace, Canva, and so on. With no-code tools, you could build software solution tailored to a specific need, whether it's for a project management, lead generation, customer support, or even industry-specific operations. My company, the UX Writing Hub, is a really cool case study because I actually built a lot of SaaS for it. So initially what we did, we managed all of the database we had through a tool named the Airtable. The student database, the course materials, assignments, and so on. Slowly but steadily we grew and we needed more robust solutions. So basically what I did, I've built some kind of a solution for teacher management and the user interface. What I did, I implemented software, which is the front-end solution, and created some kind of a professional platform connected also to make.com that connects between student and teacher and reduced administrative time by almost 80% while providing a professional user experience. Other platforms like Bubble.io give you the power to create fully customized dynamic web applications by simply dragging and dropping elements on screen. You can design user dashboards, set up databases, and automate interactions without writing a single line of code. Bubble is great if you want to create complex applications that might involve multi-step processes, custom user permissions, or detailed analytics. For example, you could build a CRM for real estate agents to manage their leads and properties, or a tool for small business owners to handle bookings and customer communications. It could be very tailor-made to that specific business. That's the power of no-code. The cost to build it is quite low. Now, the last thing you could do is to actually use AI to write code for you and build this platform. You could use tools like Replit or Cursor or Claude to write the code for you and to implement product just based on prompting and so on. But it's also important to know that a human must oversight and testing this type of stuff. Software, on the other hand, is ideal for creating more straightforward web applications quickly. It integrates easy with Airtable or Notion, and if you want to build a directory or a marketplace or membership site, software could be powerful and a fast solution for that. Again, you could build it once and sell it multiple times later. So let's say you identify demand on a niche, like community site for freelance designers that needs resources and portfolio and networking features and so on. So with software, you could build this platform in a matter of days, if not hours. So the real beauty of SaaS is that once it's set up, it could generate recurring income. By charging a monthly or annual fee, you create a steady revenue stream that grows as your user base expands. And with your no-code platform, you can easily update, improve your product over time based on customer feedback, keeping it relevant and valuable. To get started, try brainstorming a specific problem that people in a niche face, whether that's freelancers, e-commerce stores, etc. You can go to Reddit and check it out. There are a lot of communities on Reddit. And then you can build a tool that solves that specific problem. Even a basic tool that saves time or simplifies the process can have real value, especially if it's affordable and easy to use. There you have it. By creating a SaaS, you unlock nearly unlimited growth potential with low maintenance costs, allowing you to scale up as demand increases. With the power of no-code, all you need is a strong idea and some determination to start building, and also marketing and user acquisition channels as well. So this wraps up this video, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below, like and subscribe. I also want to say that we have a community which is free, the AI Makers Hub community. I'll teach you there all you need to do about building AI businesses. I have resources, blueprints, courses over there, and you can sign up for free. This is a free community, so check it out in the comment section below. Like and subscribe, share, comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you on the next video. See you around.